See what tonight brings. Royals will come out with Reshny, Trembecki, and Bame to start off the game. And the puck drop is won by the Prince Albert Raiders. We'll start right away with Dragicevic moving it through middle. Puck's going to be fired across. Tipped on up, Vokvest. He gets the puck right back to him. Feeds on across Dragicevic. Up the right wing side now, Crocker. He sends the puck into the opposite side corner. Shot in quickly, pad save by Jaden Krause as puck gets kicked to the half boards. Bouncing puck will find Reshny. He'll play it off the end boards for Kipke. Looking up ice, tipped in by Trembecki. Slowed up, gather the puck. This is going to be moved back by Dragicevic. Up to the right-hand side, Sivertson. Move to the left-hand side. Raiders not able to get a hold of it as they go for a wholesale change. As Verhoff looks up ice, finds Reshny. Reshny to the left-hand corners. He gets hauled on down. Big hit from Christensen. He tries to pin Reshny, but Trembecki comes up with the puck behind the net. Looks up top, finds Verhoff. Fakes to Wilson as he sends it down low for Reshny. Reshny, he gets hauled down, no call coming, because he's able to tie up the puck in a couple of legs. Verhoff able to keep the puck on in. Stick save by Anderson. Peterson looking to get it cleared. Does so, but sent right back in by Cosmo for the Royals. Referees need to have a quick chat, but they're going to drop the puck now as Reshny will win it on back. Kipke tied up with his man. Miskey goes in support, gets the puck. Stripped away from Miskey, trying to work it on in front. Matches trying to steal the puck away. Hounding Miskey, still able to get a stick on it, but the puck will find the hands of Reshny, who moved it for Kipke, who gets it on out for Trembecki. Trembecki that pass Newman, as Newman able to get it on out, will go for a change. Matches, top of the circles, leaves it back. Dragicevic to Matches. Back to Dragicevic up top of the blue line. Service it on a cross. Shot in, scores! But they score on their one goal, or one shot of the period so far, and it was on the power play. Shot in, goes wide. Go around the net as Dragicevic has to corral the puck. Back at his own blue line, working through middle. Shovel pass. Looking for the hands of Bibeau. Blocked off. Is going to be worked back. Keller outskates the puck. This is going to go down to the corner. Pass in front. Shot. Great save as it just goes wide off the elbow of Krause. As Doobie looked to have a great chance. Bouncing puck finds Keller. His outlet pass blocked off by Doobie. Down low to the corner now for Bame in the offensive end. Bame, he tries to sling a pass back, but Doobie cuts it off. Trying to work the opposite way now is Boychuk. Boychuk, cross-ice feed. Doobie across, great pass and a great goal. Oh! One back by the Raiders, and looking to move it to the left-hand side now with speed. Crocker slows it down, trying to kill off more time as Trembecki broke his stick. He gets a new one. As the puck is stripped away by Reshny. Reshny almost gives it up to Crocker. Crocker takes it down and will pin it now for more time killed. Royals penalty power play not off to a great start as Kipke holds off Crocker to the corner. Bame leaves it back for Kipke. Kipke up for Trembecki. Quickly back for Reshny. Reshny moving to the neutral zone with speed. Pass off for Trembecki on the left. He'll send it down low. Rides the dasher as it goes to the corner now. Bame. McMillan across for Kipke. Kipke surveying, trying to send a shot through. He'll pass it down low for Trembecki. Trembecki lost a handle on it. Kipke converges on it. It's going to be whacked out and clear by the defense of Justice Christensen. To the right-hand side, Trembecki not able to. Reshny will take the draw. It's won back by the Raiders, sent down to the corner by Bibeau. Puck's going to ring around the boards. Going to chase after it is Trembecki. He leaves it for Reshny. Royals looking to get a breakout started with 54 seconds left to go here in the first period. And the first power play for the Royals. My apologies, 9 minutes, 6 seconds left to go in the period. Bame works it to the left-hand side with speed. Bame out in front. Finds McMillan up top. Finds Kipke now. Kipke survey shot blocked off on the body. Beautiful block by Bibeau out in front. Not able to get a stick on it was Bame. Reshny. Reshny, top of the slot now. Reshny to the left-hand side. Pass across. McMillan. McMillan shot in. Glove save. Anderson rebound kicked down to the corner. Puck's going to be banked around. McMillan cuts it off at the blue line. Cross. Reshny skate to stick. Reshny top of the left-hand circle on across McMillan. McMillan shot in. Had save, rebound, kicks to the left circle. Kipke gathers it at the blue line. Kipke, pass off the skate of Bebo. And that kills off more time. 7 seconds left to go in the power play for the Royals. Reshny will gather back to his own end. Power play will finish. So he goes for a change. Alongside Crocker on the defensive side, Dragicevic and Vokvest. One back by Reshny. Verhoff gathers. Verhoff, he'll play it on back. Wilson. Wilson up ice. Tip play by Reshny. Bame leaves it for Reshny. Reshny trying to shake through, gets cut off at the corner glass. Just at the Prince Albert Raiders bench. That's going to be worked on back for Dragicevic. Dragicevic. His pass blocked off by Reshny. Reshny now to the left-hand side. Gains the blue line. Reshny, backhand feed across Bame. Bame toe drags it down to the backhand. Takes a pop from Dragicevic, able to evade most of it. It's going to be played up top now. Verhoff has to chase after it. Corrals it on the backhand, keeps it on in. Looking down low for Reshny. Reshny to the corner. Pinned off by Vokvest. Bame into the middle. Finds Verhoff. It was stripped away by Dragicevic. Not able to hold it for long as Reshny was on him, but he passed it on back. And now the Raiders are able to get it clear out of their own end as Mersick plays it on the back. Amazing second period. And he continues his hot streak. So he gets another assist on the Marcus Lopanen goal. One back by the Raiders. Moved up to the left-hand side. Cut off by Kipke at the red line. But the Raiders going to hold the puck, move it to the right now. Chenier got it down low. Reshny swatted away. Trembecki on the backhand stance for Kipke. Left-hand side now for Bame. Bame working with speed. Bame shotting quickly, just missing wide of the glove. Goes around for Matches now. Not able to avoid Miski as he sends the puck on in as Prince Albert Raiders get a change as we move through the middle for Trembecki. Miski now. Into the middle for Trembecki, just outside his reach. Getting his 4th goal of the season. As once again, Prince Albert Raiders continue to add on the offensive side. 4-1 with 1:40 left to go here in the first period. Shots 11-8 in favor of the Royals. Bouncing puck, Bame swatted away. Wilson will gather it at the red line. He'll send it on in off a skate, corralling it back now. Christensen, he moved it off the boards. Puck back now, Trembecki gathers. He slings it off the far boards looking for Reshny. Reshny evades the hit. Christensen got the puck on back. Chenier back for Christensen. On the back end, has to play it around. Trying to swing it around the boards with Peterson. Found his man when he worked up for Matches. Right here. Left-hand side of Anderson. I'm going to call that one a draw as it's going to be tied up. Fought for at the circles. Reshny picks it up, moves it up top now. Wilson across. Verhoff one-timer! Saved by Anderson as the puck bounces to the corner. As it's pinned. And Newman in the box for fighting. Face-off win for Trembecki. He'll chip it on into the offensive side on the left hand. It's going to be sent around the boards by Sobry. Chip play cut off by Bame. Bame in the middle for Reshny. Reshny moves it to the backhand. He pivots, top of the circle, shot in, blocked on the body. Bouncing puck will find Reshny, not able to dance through. But the puck will find Kipke at the red line. He sauces it back for Miski. He gathers it, sends it off the boards. Intended for Bame, but it will find the stick of Reshny. Cross Trembecki. Back for Reshny. At the circle, shot in off angle. Will find the Raiders, and Sobry will take some time and move it on out of the zone. Off the skate of Boychuk as he will send it on in to the far side corner. Trying to evade, there's Pearden. Not getting it around Keller as Keller will play it off the boards and out. Dragicevic not able to evade. Here comes Royals 2-on-1. Bame. Bame with Reshny. Reshny pivots, holds it, shot off a bar, but well behind in the goals. One back for Dragicevic. He'll send it off the boards. Crocker has to move quickly. He sends it high off the glass. Bouncing puck will find Miski at the red line. His backhand pass finds nobody except for Peterson back in his own end. Peterson losing the handle there. Trembecki shot, pad save. Rebound kicks to the far side corner with Reshny rushing the net. Puck sent back down low. Bame trying to hook it away. He loses an edge. It's going to be sent down low. Peterson trying to evade. Peterson trying to evade Reshny. Slings it to the right-hand side. Tip play by Crocker, corralled by Miski. He'll send it off the backhand boards for Kipke, who looks to continue the puck along. Just fanning on it, moving in. Shot just goes sky high and wide. On the close chance for Crocker. Bouncing puck will find Peterson. Looking to evade Reshny again. Reshny hounding on the forecheck. Tries to ice pick stick lift. He does so, but it's going to be passed off for Dragicevic. Pivoting back now, Moroz. Against Oyring. Feels like a different period with all the waiting, but we have hockey action here at the Save-On-Foods Memorial Center. One back by the Raiders. Trying to dance on through. Here comes a quick 2-on-1. Walking in. Shent pass on across by Oyring. Blocked off. Royals looking to turn on the counterattack. Bouncing puck off the glass. Goes down to the corner. Reshny on the chase. Christensen will play it to the corner. High off the glass. Miski holds it to the blue line. He'll chip it down low. Bame. Cross-ice feed for Trembecki between his legs. But Kipke keeps it in. Shot just goes high and wide. Bame takes it down low. Bame surveys. Pass across. Reshny not able to pull the trigger as it just bounced off his blade. And it's going to be moved on out by the Raiders to the right-hand side now. Kipke going to shrug the puck away. And it's going to be cleared on out by the Royals, as there was an offensive chance there for Oyring. Bouncing puck, finds Reshny up top. Here comes in Burlock. Burlock on a break. Burlock to the forehand, scores! Escalus! Trembecki picks it up, moves it up for Verhoff. Verhoff takes a big hit, but it's left back for Trembecki. Not able to dance it around McMillan, as it's going to be sticked away. Verhoff with an active stick, left the puck for McMillan off a body, ends up in the hands of Dragicevic, who sends it clear out of. Reshny loses the draw, out in front, Bame on the back end, pass across, Trembecki, pad save, rebound! Not able to find the stick was Reshny, as Anderson makes a beautiful right pad save to kick it away from Taden Trembecki. Michnik goes behind his net, slow up the puck, Kipke, fan it out front, and the turnaround shot by Mercick goes well wide as Michnik was able to get back in. Bame comes in now left-hand side. Bame with speed. Bame to the forehand. Takes around the net. Pass on across. Blocked off the stick of Peterson. Bounces to between the legs of Trembecki. Reshny steals it away. Bame fires one-timer. Just goes wide of the right side of the post. Left back for Bame. Miski now. Miski surveys across Kipke on the backhand to the forehand. Now down for Reshny. Reshny saucer pass looking for Trembecki. Bouncing puck on and cross. Blocked on the skate of Peterson and sent the opposite way for the Raiders as they get it clear. Kipke picks up the loose puck, sends it back. Peterson picks it up in the neutral zone, takes it over the blue line as the rest of the team gets changed. Peterson, nice angle, shot in, and it just inks wide on the floater shot. Peterson almost with a beautiful goal, but not able to find. He is focused on getting instructions from head coach James Patrick. There's going to be one back. Sobry. Cross. He goes up against Mercick. Mercick will get kicked out of the draw, so stepping on in will be Moroz. Moroz against Reshny. One back by Reshny for Miski. Left it on back for Kipke. Kipke up ice looking for Bame on the stretch. Kept in at the blue line by the Raiders. That was off the leg of Crocker as Kipke will send it in on the back end. Down to the corner, continued around by Sobry. To the half boards now. Raiders looking to get a breakout. Trembecki trying to break it up. Gathered up high by Bame. He'll walk it to the blue line. Sends it cross ice, cut off by Sobry. Bounced off the boards. Moroz not able to get the puck cleanly. Bouncing puck finds Reshny. Trembecki now. Left back for Reshny on the drop pass. Reshny down low to the corner. Out in front for Trembecki. Sticked away by Anderson. Kipke trying to pick up the puck. Bame will go on the chase and send it down low for Trembecki to the corner. Pivoting back on the back end now. Trembecki using his frame to evade. Moves on the back end across Kipke. Between his legs, swatted it down low. Goes to the corner now. Sobry will bank it off the boards. To the half boards, Miski steps up, looking to pin it. Blocked off on a body, so Reshny's trying to fight for it into the corner now. The clearance attempt for the Raiders, not able to get past their own teammate. Sent up top now, Miski gathers. Miski, shot on in. Seeing I shot, finds the crest of Anderson. Rebound kicks to the corner. Down low for Burlock now on the pass from Trembecki. Burlock on the backhand. Trying to sling a shot on in. Goes down low to the corner now. Burlock has Trembecki with him. He'll play it off the boards. Looking up top for Fryer, who swats it. Shot puck, but it's going to be walked on out by Moore. His man, no calls coming. Water shot off angle. Anderson makes the save. Puck kept in by the Royals. Reshny now. Reshny pivots. Reshny shot in, blocked off the leg of Pickford. Gets kicked just wide. Sent on out of the zone by the Raiders, but Wilson holds it at the red line. Walking in now, Waterroot. Waterroot in the middle for Reshny. Reshny takes it around the net. Reshny up top, Wilson. Wilson, he'll send it down low. Played around. Raiders not able to get it clear, but Reshny holds it at the red line as the Royals send it on in. Rallying it now are the Raiders in their own end. 4:02 left to go here in the second period. Royals still down 4-3. Michnick will step up, play the puck. Around for Miskey. He's able to chip it on up. As Bame not able to get a handle on it, it's left for Peterson. Up Matches. Cross ice feed. Kipke trying to play defense on it. He gets the block on the pass. Move it up for Reshny outside his reach. That's going to go all the way. Kipke has some time. Moves it to the right-hand side for Reshny. Reshny out there with Danileko and Palutka. Reshny for Palutka. Palutka dangles around one. Top of the slot. Shot in. Seeing I shot off a pad of Reshny. Reshny trying to bring it out front. Shot in by Danileko. Off a pad. It's still loose. But the Royals knocking on the door. One back. Bame. Shot in quickly by Miskey. Blocked off. Sobry not able to get a hold of the puck. Bouncing puck will go to the blue line for Reshny. Reshny trying to shake it free. Does so. Skate stick. Able to dance it around one. Trying to get around two. No dice. It's going to be chipped off the boards. Kept in by Miskey. Miskey sends it to open ice. Kipke is in. As going to be sent it around the boards. Sent in by Trembecki off a leg. It goes up top for Kipke now. Down low to the corner. Trembecki able to evade Dragicevic. Trembecki shot in. Blocked off on a skate. Bame trying to chase after. Dragicevic wheels it back and sends it around. Kept in by Miskey. Kicks it back down to the corner. Reshny. Reshny behind the net. Reshny on the forehand. Trying to sling it out in front. Covered up by Justin Kipke and Nate Miskey to start off the third period. The puck is dropped and it's one back for Dragicevic on the Prince Albert Raiders. Bouncing puck will find Trembecki in the neutral zone. He tries to shovel it on through. Dragicevic will pick up the loose puck. He'll move it to the left-hand side. Send it on the back end. Not able to get it down low as Kipke will take it from the feed from Miskey. Looking. Reshny will take the draw on the defensive end. One back. Raiders shot in. Off a body. Kipke's not able to get a handle on it. Miskey does, and he sends it around the glass. Not able to get it on out. Corral down low. Moved on across by Crocker. Shot in by Dragicevic. Sent down low. Bame. Bame on the back. At the boards. Into the middle. Reshny. Reshny. Shot in off angle. Use it for Waterroot. Waterroot to the half boards. Sent it off the boards. Top Keller. Keller surveys. Keller shot in. Looking for a tip out in front. Blocked off the leg of Crocker. Taking to the half boards. Raiders able to get it out. Keller steps up. Playing it back to the offensive side. Blocked pass. Finds Trembecki now. Trembecki to Reshny. Outside his reach. Takes to the half boards. He'll ring it around the board. Stepping on up now is Miskey. Trying to force that puck back to the half boards. Raiders trying to corral it and move it on out. That's Moroz trying to help his team out, but it's left up. Bame in the middle. Trembecki. Nice move. He scores! Sky high pass. Goes to the Royals bench. Wilson will gather it. Takes it down behind the net. On the backhand across for Keller. Outside his reach. Lunging after the puck was Crocker. Corralled back by Reshny. Pivots around his man. Reshny up for Palutka, who tips it past the defensive Chenier. Bounce pass on in. Bame cuts it off. Bame will take it behind his own net on the backhand. Send it high off the glass. Not able to get it clear. Sent back in by Sobry. Keller got the pass on. Up but not out. Corralled. Rudolph into the middle. Trying to shake free. Nice move. Mercick. Mercick pivots top of the circle. On the backhand. Sends it on across. Rudolph. Daxton Rudolph. Shot in. Blocked off by Keller. Kicked off the boards. Trembecki gets a whack at it, not able to get past Rudolph. Trembecki lost his stick, shot in, glove, saves. Left to go here in the third period of hockey action. Trembecki able to strip the puck away. Trembecki walks on in with Reshny. Back to Reshny, to Bame. Bame. Pass on in front off a skate, still out loose. Kicks down low for Reshny. Reshny on the wraparound, trying to feed it out in front. Not able to fire it home was Trembecki. Out through the middles. Sivertson. Shot in by Christensen, blocked off. Royals looking to break it on out. Here comes Bame. Bame on the back end. Bame out in front. Shovel shot. Great save, Anderson. Verhoff to Reshny now. Reshny dancing. In for Trembecki. Bounces over his plate. He gathers it again. Trembecki pinned to the half boards there by Christensen. Christensen looking to get some help out by Meunier. Puck kicks up top. Verhoff across. Fryer one-timer blocked off. Great block diving effort from Sivertson. Vogfest. Reshny tied up on the draw, will kick to the half boards. Crocker pinned there by Miskey. Puck's going to be sent around the boards. Chasing after is Tanner Scott. Scott trying to rip it around the boards. He does so, gets it past the leg of Matches. And it goes all the way down, banks off the boards. Dragicevic takes. Dragicevic working through neutral. He'll pass it on back. Mercic to the left-hand side. Doobie pass on across. Pass down low. One-timer. Matches not able to get a stick on it. Rebound picked up by Kipke. He's going to go for a skate as it floated in front. Will be Pearden up against Reshny. Reshny wins it back. Scott has some time with it. Sends it clear out. It's going to go all the way down to the net. Cooper Anderson. Royals. 12 seconds left to go on the penalty kill. Sent on across by Daxon Rudolph. Through the middle, off the mouth of Miskey. He's going to have to take it. Gets a forecheck. Shot in off the side of the net. Kicks out in front. Finds Scott. Scott looking to spring Reshny. Reshny, Lopinen hops on the ice. Reshny has Lopinen with him. Left for Lopinen. Lopinen shot in. Pad save. Rebound. Tanner Scott. Great glove save. Sobry up ice. Pass. Missing everybody, but tipped by Kipke. So Miskey will take it behind his own net. Looks up ice for Trembecki. Trembecki. Rest of his line going. Will be hopping on, but Christensen shrugs his man off. Peterson now takes. Peterson by his own net. To the right-hand side, cut off by Bame. Bouncing puck will go past Bame. Walking in quickly now. Here come the Raiders moving in. Pass on off. Crocker trying to shake free on the backhand. Not able to pull the trigger. Tied up by Seth Fryer, who gets it clear to the backhand. Christensen sends it back down low off the pad of Alan Crocker. Great pad save. Sticked away by Michnik on this diving poke check, sweeping it away. Sending it back down to the corner. Raiders looking to press. Puck will ink out to the top of the blue line. Peterson shot, blocked off by Bame. Bame on the backhand. Pass on back for Verhoff. Gets it clear for Trembecki, who sends it on into the offensive side. 5-9. He leaves it for Sobry. 3:05 left to go here in the third period. Raiders looking to break out. Get into the offensive end. Maybe look to pull the goaltender soon. Going to go all the way down. Miskey. He'll leave it back for Kipke at his own corner. Reshny now. Through the middle for Trembecki. Reshny dodges the big hit. Walking in with Bame now is Trembecki. Trembecki shot blocked off on a body. Corralled and moved the opposite way now. Moroz plays on a drop pass for Christensen. Cross ice feed. Dragicevic. Crocker through neutral. The big man moving to the left-hand side on the backhand. Not able to get around Miskey, who steps up and stops him. Kipke ringing around the boards. Dragicevic picks it up at the blue line. Sends it back down low, wraps around the boards. Rudolph on the backhand. Sends it back down low. Miskey will pick it up behind his own net. Backhand shovel pass for Bame. Banked off the boards for Miskey. He wraps it around the boards, looking to get a tip on his Trembecki. Royals looking to get it on out. Kipke does so with a float. Reshny on the backhand, wasn't able to corral it. Right out in front of the Raiders bench, moving to the opposite side now. Doobie shot out there with Reshny. Alongside Trembecki. Pucking one back. Looking to tie it up is out in front now as Verhoff looked to sling it out in front. Chasing after the puck is Bame. Bame looking to shake free. Bame off the leg out in front. Reshny scores! Chasing after Reshny, able to pot it home on the empty net. Raiders are going to look to move quick here. Puck's going to sit between a couple of legs. We'll find Fryer now. Send it on in. Tipped play by Bame. Sent up the ice, cut off on the red line by Fryer. He'll move it through the middle for Reshny. Reshny dangles to the left-hand side. Reshny trying to take it around the forehand, taking it out in front. Trembecki not able to pull the trigger on the one-timer. Pivoting on back, Pearden leaves it. Peterson, left-hand side, Sobry.